This is Honome, 110,000 RPM blower. It blows dust off of keyboards. You could blow a little bit of light snow, leaves, and so forth. On the desk you could clean up. We're blowing off of the stairs some debris that fell. It is best to use the proper nozzle or nozzles for your discretion. As we open up the package, we show you what you get inside and how nicely they are packed. You have an instruction guide to simply go over the parts and materials that you get. You get a nice soft bristle brush. Clean your keyboards, nails, or whatever you need to blow the dust off that you get deeper into the item. You have a number of attachments, a small, a large, a narrow inflator for rafts, and a brush for keyboards. You get the duster. It is 2-3 speeds with an LED light in the front, and the charging cable, USB-C compliance, with a light indicator on the side, the on and off, and the button to press for the speed. With one of the adapters, we have threads, attach on by screwing. You have a LED, the fan by pressing, and the light by double pressing, and the on and off an LED indicator of what speed you're on. Hold, blows. Double press turns the light on. Double press turns the light off. Pressing short is speed number 2, speed number 1, and back to speed number 3. And the charging indicator, the area of blowing out to the front and out. There is a little bit of debris. As you can see, it's blowing the rubber band. And the rubber band is blown. Show that to you one more time. This is speed number 1. This is speed number 2. This is speed number 3. We're going to clean the keyboard and show you cleaning the stairs. Easy to charge, easy to clean keyboards by pressing, long pressing, and taking the brush and cleaning. On the grill to clean the dust by the fan. You notice over here the dust and debris. Air conditioners, cleaning out the area. Hard to reach areas to blow the dust. Speed number 3. To simply cleaning up the area with the open end nozzle. To fully charge the unit, 2.5 hours of 100 minutes of runtime, depending on the speed used. Not just for keyboards, for automobiles, cleaning out the cowls, the vents, air conditioners, fans, by the refrigerator, anywhere that you need to blow dust. It is also an inflator for small basketball, volleyball, beach balls, and rafts. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in an air duster, thank you for viewing.